morning. My name is Aarti Gupta and you're watching my YouTube channel, Education for Kids. Today's is the answer key of touchpad class 7 advanced feature of Excel. The answer keys of this. This is the answer keys. Under which tab sort and filter command is present? Home tab. We use sort A to Z option to sort text. When we apply filter features, some arrows appear near column headers. Which of the following is not a category used in conditional formatting? A to Z. Which option is used to remove conditional formatting? Clear rules. True and false. Excel can arrange data in ascending order only. False. Decreasing or descending order. You cannot sort more than one column at the time in the selected range of cells. False. We can. The Add Label button is available under the Insert tab. False. It is not available in Insert tab. Sorting can also be done through Sort and File group under the Data tab. True. It is. Conditional formatting is only used with numeric data. Yes, conditional formatting is only used with numerical data because here we have already seen. Advanced feature of Excel answers. Define sorting. Sorting data means to organize the data in ascending or descending order. How do you remove filters? To remove filters, click on the filter command in Data tab. Which command is used to hide unimportant data? Filter command is used to hide unimportant data. Long answer type questions. What is the difference between sorting data and filtering data? Sorting data refers to the process of organizing data in ascending or descending order, whereas filtering data refers to remove or hide the unimportant data to emphasize on the important information. Sorting means कि आप ascending से descending order में डाटा को organize कर रहे हैं और filtering डाटा में आप या तो रिमूव कर रहे हैं या उसको हाइड कर रहे हैं ताकि अनइम्पॉर्टेंट डाटा हट जाए और इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन हम इजीली एक्सेस कर पाए. Write the name of the criteria on the basis of which conditional formatting can be applied. हमें वो नेम और क्राइटेरिया लिखना है जिस पर हम कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Conditional formatting can be applied on the following criteria. Conditional formatting तब ही apply होगी जब ये criterias होंगे. Highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. Write the steps to apply custom sort feature. हमें स्टेप्स लिखने हैं कस्टम सॉर्ट फीचर कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे. टू यूज कस्टम सॉर्टिंग फॉलोइंग दीज स्टेप्स. स्टेप 1, सेलेक्ट द रेंज ऑफ कॉलम्स टू बी सॉर्टेड. स्टेप 2, click on the sort and filter command from the editing group under the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Click on the Custom Sort option from drop-down list. The Sort dialog box opens. Step 4. Check My Data has headers. Check box if the selected columns have a heading at the top. Step 5. Click on the Sort By box and selects the column header according to which you want to sort the data. In this case, we have selected Client Name Header. Step 6. Click on the Sort On box and select Cell Values option. Step 7. Click on the Order box and select the A to Z or Z to A option. In this case, we have selected A to Z option. Step 8. Click on the Add Level button at the top of the Sort dialog box to add another column to sort. In this case, we have added Amount Billed column. Step 9. Click on the OK button. Question number 4. Write the steps to apply conditional formatting. To apply conditional formatting to a series of data, follow the steps. Step 1. Select the data to which formatting can be applied. Step 2. Click on the Conditional Formatting command from Style group under Home tab. A drop-down list appears. This list shows various criteria. Step 3. Select the desired conditional. In this case, we have selected the orange data bar option under the data bar category. The select conditional formatting is applied to the cell range. If you like the way as I'm teaching, so like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.